In this video I will show you how to fix the file could not open in protected view in Excel document easily in 2022. See Excel file not opening, how to fix it, see full video. Now open Excel document, go to Options, click Trust Center, click Trust Center Settings, click Protected View, click to uncheck the boxes, then click OK. Close Excel document. After closing Excel, again open Excel document. See now Excel document opening and working well. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with your friends. Thank you.